Hi, welcome to this lecture. And what you can see now on your screen is openAI, right? So what is openAI? openAI is a parent company who is developing the tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, Whisper, and all these things. Okay, if you're not aware of everything, that's absolutely fine. Things are evolving right now. You can just go into this website, openai.com, and read what are the different products they're developing, right? So here are the different product overview and you can easily understand it. Don't go into a lot of details, start using the tool, and as and when you need more information, start reading it so that you will understand. Do not try to understand everything at first and then start using. Okay, that will never happen. So coming back to our question, what is ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT, you can consider that it is a tool which has been trained on lot of data and lot of information. Okay, and it can remember what you have discussed with the tool, and based on that it can give you different kind of response, right? It is unlike any chatbot where your previous context is not known. It will know the previous context, as well as it is much more intelligent than any other chatbot. In a very simple words, you can say that ChatGPT is a virtual assistant who understands almost everything available on internet. Okay, and it has been trained till 2021 data, so the latest data it might not have, but it have all other data possible, right? So that's a very small introduction to ChatGPT. If you start using it, you will see that what a tremendous tool it is, right? It is your companion, or you can consider it as the assistant who knows everything, and you can ask anything to it and it will answer it in a proper way, right? So that's quite powerful, right? So that's all about ChatGPT. Now let's see how to access ChatGPT for free. Okay, so you come to OpenAI website, you can go to product and you can say ChatGPT. Click on this ChatGPT. It will take you to the same page where I have already opened. Basically the website here is chat.openai.com, right? Once you come here, you will have this screen where either you can log in or sign up. If you already have an account, you log in. If you do not have an account, you can sign up. If you click on sign up, either you can continue with the email address, or you can also log in through your Google account or Microsoft account. Okay, I have already created an account, so I'll just log in. So once you log in, this is how the interface looks like. Okay, on your left side you will get all your chats, what you have done with the ChatGPT, and on your right side it will talk about what are the different examples, what are different capabilities, and what are limitations, and you can actually write your prompt here, or you can ask any questions to ChatGPT here in this area, and then it will respond to you, right? So that's just a quick intro to understand how the interface looks like. It is pretty simple actually. So let's get started using ChatGPT for our purpose. Thank you.